Sawmill Man. 1, 2, 3, go.
Sawmill Man, son of a sawmill man. I cut big timber all over this